How to use Grok on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, Grok. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Grok app in the list and tap on it. As you can see, the Grok app is already installed on your phone. If it was not, then there would be a Get button instead of Open. Tap on Open to open the Grok app. Once you're here, tap on Skip at the top right corner. You can now type in your question or query in the text bar below. After that, tap on the send icon beside to generate the result. Here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Auto button if you want to change the mode. For example, select Fast. This mode enables quick responses. You can now try generating results in this mode. Following these steps, you can easily use Grok on iPhone.